How to log in into your GitHub account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into your GitHub account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open any of your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and in the search bar you need to type GitHub. Then after press the enter key, and in the top you will see the official website of GitHub. Simply click on it. After that, you will be directed toward the home page of GitHub website. After that, at the top right corner, you see two options, sign in and sign up. If you already have an account, choose the option of sign in and provide your details and then sign in into your account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and then provide your details to create a new account. So here I have chosen the option of sign in to sign in into my already existing GitHub account. Here, as you can see, there's the option to provide your email. Simply enter your email and click on continue. Then you need to provide your password and then you will log in into your GitHub account. So that's it. That is how easily you can log in into your GitHub account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.